Smartkey Nano is a great accessory with slider series and sold separately. Its small size and simple function make it ideal for use as a hidden panic button. It can be mounted discreetly using the included peel and stick adhesive. To pair Smartkey, first open the safe and press and hold the 3 key followed by the program button together until all keys start blinking red. Aim your Smartkey towards the safe and press the button to pair. The keypad will light green, confirming pairing is successful. Next, you will need to set the entry mode for your Smartkey. You can do this from the keypad hotkey or within the smartphone app. You can choose between on-demand and progressive entry modes. On-demand will open your safe at any time within range of the safe, but draws significant power. We recommend progressive entry, which will open the safe only after the safe has been awakened first. To wake your safe, you can simply press any key on the safe or brush your hand across the keys to illuminate them. You can then open your safe with Smartkey. To assign an entry mode from the safe keypad, press and hold the 4 key and the program button together to toggle through each mode. A blinking green keypad indicates progressive mode. A solid green keypad indicates on demand, and a solid red keypad indicates Smartkey is off.